Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Boateng. It's been a while and we are progressing on the lead guitar, especially the highlife rhythms. Today I'm going to share with you some basic steps you can follow to help you succeed in learning your lead guitar, especially our Ghanaian highlife. Many anom me mama kwaba me diane Daniel Boateng. Ene ibisua ekwan hodo bi a obetimi afa so se ahyase guitar suani na ebeboa ama watimi asua o guitar. Enti se won subscribe ya, kindly subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification and give a comment. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Let us begin. The American say guitar is usually to say the local school na pepepe. For guitar to say usua mathematics. For guitar to say the usua science any subject aka usua usuku no. So ofa ne sa na mo ni kuhu a guitar no ebo no ebeko yi edi ama. Na pebre ni suani. So what I'm saying is, in order to succeed in learning the lead guitar, the first thing you must take note is 1. Invest your time in the guitar. Invest your time on the guitar. Make an investment of some time on your guitar. What do I mean by this? To succeed in playing lead guitar very melodious and very excellent way, it's not just 5 minutes practice. Investing time on your guitar means take about 30 minutes a day. Spend about 30 minutes a day to pick up your guitar and then practice. Not just a day, but every day. You need to invest your time. Don't feel lazy picking up your guitar to practice. And this mean ya akwadwo bo na guitar no da ho na wa ma unu bo wa mfa am practice ya unu bo enti menua se bre o guitar no ate na o se bre wo ho a betimi abo de tosumienu adekodi a o yadi ama o se sua no se me na me de ama wo senso obi fufuro no akọ download do afiri ni channel na wo sua ade tosumienu se o ye ne se tie adekodi a wo besua no to bo ase tie no be emprensa emprenan anase emprenum tie abreko a wo mo guitar no. Just listen to whatever you are going to learn. Listen to it about 3 times. For example, I downloaded this super lick from Reverend George Spratt. If you are an advanced player, kindly visit Reverend George Spratt's. The channel is George Spratt. You can find it on the description below. Visit his channel for more advanced lessons. For me, I am doing beginner lessons. I am a beginner guitarist. I am just like you. So I downloaded his video and then I wanted to play his super lick. So what method am I going to use to play this beautiful lick but difficult lick? That's what I'm sharing with you now. Like this.
To radio, you can easily tell that this is this band because he uses this lick often. This super lick. I've titled this super lick because they are very long, difficult licks. So Very first lick that I will teach you is this. Listen before you learn. Listen before you learn.
You heard him. He's a great guitarist. Before you learn any topic on the guitar, if you are learning from someone, listen very, very well before you pick up the guitar to practice. So I followed him. Though I have been teaching you guitar, but still I am learning. So I had to follow him and then use these methods to play his difficult licks. So you have to listen very attentively about 3, 4, or 5 times before you pick up the guitar. Now, if you do this listening, you can see that you will be able to identify some of the notes in the topic you are learning. You will be able to identify some of them. Now, if you're able to identify some of them, then you are through. You may not be able to identify 100%, but at least 50% is enough. If you're able to identify 50% of the notes being played, you are through. Like this. You can see it is very, very fast, but I have to listen very, very attentively so many times. I listened to this about more than 3 times. Okay, then I was able to identify that before he was coming to teach the notes. I was able to identify that it is chromatic. That is why I am telling you that listen to the topic you are going to learn several times. Number 3. Do repeated practice. Do repeated practice. Do repetition in your practice. Repetition helps you to memorize the guitar notes simply. If you do repetition, it helps you to easily memorize the notes. So do repetitive practice. Don't just do once and then say you have learned something. Do repetition. As you repeat practicing the topic or a particular lesson, the perfection comes. Number 4, never feel lazy in picking up your guitar. If you feel lazy, then you will not be able to play the guitar you want to play. All right, make sure it's a highlife no. Highlife no. So we are because it involves a lot. Ubetie radio na ye board radio at the same time radio ne board ubeti sa de foforo na mache na opese usia. And so we are never feel lazy in practicing. All right, good. Then the last I'm giving you, the 5, I'm saying that if indeed you want to learn highlife, then try and listen to more Adadam. Try and listen to more Adadam songs. What you say? Say guitar no, Adadam no. They say highlife no na person usia dia. Even ye Adadam no enya itio. Gospel no mo ye boy gospel adeni we apply the principles of the highlife. So don't just say you are learning the guitar to play at church and so you are not going to listen to music from Nanampadu and Match the Day. Alex Kunadus and stuff. You have to listen to their songs. You hear a lot of guitar styles. and then you try and your hands on them. On this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, as I have devoted my time to always give you beginner tidbits on how best you can learn your high life guitars. We end here with today's lesson. I'll come your way with another beautiful lesson. My next topic is going to be a gospel song. How to strum the guitar while the song is being played at church. Meet you in the next lesson. Thank you.